Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Easter sugar melon seed and grow a garden Roblox. So this seed will looks like this. It will look like this, and you can get these seeds from the event shops, Easter event shops over here. These shops, and then you can just buy this Easter sugar melon over here. It costs 640 chocolate coins, so make sure you have enough chocolate coins, and then after that just tap on purchase over here like this, and just like that it will be added to your backpack, and then after that you can just plant it at your garden like this, and then just wait until it grows, and you can just harvest the sugar melon. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.